Okay guys, welcome back to part 9, and this part 9 we talk about how to use the vuex state management. Okay, what is the vuex? Yes, what is the vuex? So you can go to the internet or we can read the documentation of vuex. What is the vuex? Vuex is a state management pattern plus library for the view our application. It serves a centralized store for all the component, okay, for the component in our application, which rule ensure that can only be omitted in the practical fashion. It's integrated with the view of visual duties. Okay, what is the state management pattern? Okay, and this is the state management pattern that we want to share data, action, or everything to any component. In the consider that when we use the state management or we use mean that we want to share data to all the component. Okay, so how to create state management in the Vue.js? So I will show you to create step by step with the Vue state management. Okay, and all developer or the teaching on the internet that is shows only for you one state management, but for me I show you how to create the many steps and with state management with the multi-module state management. Okay, so don't waste time, follow me step by step. Okay, we install, and this is the command that we use, that we store, but before we use the vuex, you must install the vuex as a vuex with the component. Okay, so we go to the web page, and then right now we open the command. Okay, I open command, so I close the server run, and I copy with our current project. Right now we press enter to install the package vuex into the node module, and then right now we can call the install with vuex. Okay, right now I complete already add one package from contributor and audited, and the package is looking for funding. Okay, so right now we create already, and you can go find. If you have no the vuex in the node module, you cannot use the vuex. So I go to the find vuex, and this is the vuex. Okay, I installed successfully into the node module. So right now how to create the vuex? So in the last version we create the view. Yes, so for example I create the store. Okay, and we use store.js. So right now we import. Okay, so we import the vuex to use the vuex to use in the view our application. Okay, so I import and view from. Okay, we use the from use. So and second line we add the vuex from the vuex. Okay, and this is the where the file that we import from. Mean that we import from the node module that we installed already. If you have the not installed yet, mean that you have the error occurs with the vuex. So you might install before, and then we use the vue.use. Okay, use method mean that we use like this. We want to use the vuex all our application. Okay, or objects. So I use it like this. Okay, so I run the server one more. I run it successfully. When I refresh. Okay, right now we want to the export, or we use the store. Okay, and mean that when we create it like this, not a complete yet. So we use the export default news, and right now we call the vuex Okay, and the method function store. Okay, and the function store. So in the function store we use the strict mode. Okay, and we use the strict. Strict we use mean that somewhere we have to occur with the problem, so we convert to the fair, and we add the node more use. Okay, node more use. And right now we want to create the state multi-state. Okay, for example, when we create a state like this already, for example, we create the state management. Okay, so I create the state here. Okay, so and in the module we can create the module multi module. So for example, I constant state. Okay, in the constant state we create a function, for example, and to do's. So we add to do's, please, yes. Yes, and right now I add those. Okay, and we add okay, sorry, to do's. I add to do here, so we call the to do's. Okay, when we create that to do already, how to embed it into the vue.js. So we go back to the main. Okay, in the main.js. So right now we import. Okay, so we import the store, and from dots we use the store like this. Alright, and we define already, but I don't get cost, so we use the store, and right now we add it like this. But module cannot reserve, module not found. Okay, and we use the lights dots one. So I use the console.log. Okay, I press enter, console.log the store. When I refresh, you can in the console have the state. When I change, we had the state to do it like this. Okay, so we had a state already in the to do. So I go to the okay. We use the store again. Okay, and then we call use the state management to share another on the component is with the to do's. So we export, for example. Okay, so in the store I export, we use the export. Okay, constant and to do's. So and to do we create a stats. Okay, we had a stats. Okay, the stats. Get this. Get the and mutation action here. Okay, when we create the stats, they already in like this. So and we export the store.js to the we import to the main.js here. So we go to the main.js. So import. Okay, and we use it like this. So and from and dot slash store. Okay. So I use the console.log. We have to read the state when I create it like this, and to display to the console and to show the multi-stats in the views. Okay, in the console browser we have the state management to share the data to another component. Okay, and this is the stats bus. In the state we have the store like this. So I go to the store again. So in the stat we create and the stat instead. Okay, stat instead. So for example, I introduce instead to do. So we add the array. Okay, so when I create again, so instead we had a to do and we had the object to do here. So right now we add for example, I add array 1, 2 and 3. Okay, right now the stat we had a data to do and we had the array 3 here. So now I want to copy data from the view to do. Okay, to do from the component to do. So I copy the data from here. Okay, we copy and go to the state management. So I use the arrays and I pass data here. So I refresh again. When I click in the console, we had data of the array the same. Okay, and array 1 and array 2 refer to the end as array 3. Okay, when we create the already like this, right now we want to read from the state. Okay, from the state. And this is the getter. Okay, so I show you one by one. So but sometimes we can change in the module, we can change it like this. For example, to do, and we had to do, but we had multi keys when we did the data. Okay, so I check again to do. Okay, and we had a to do and set. So if we want to use the like this, okay, and this is the same. You can use anymore. It has the multi way to use the module in vuex. Okay, when we create already, so I go to do, but now I want to call the data from the state management here. Okay, we use dot and we add a store dot stat dot to do, but I want to use, I want to show you with the console in the, okay, we use the console dot log and this dot store. When I refresh, okay, we go to the main.js again, and right now we import to, we call the store. Okay, store, we call store in the view to use the all our application. Okay, when I refresh, we had a store here. Okay, I have the data from the state management. Okay, send draw share data to any component. So we go back to do component again. Now right now we add we call the state. Okay, and this is the key that we want to with the state. Okay, we had a stat, and the stat we had to do stats and to do. So we call the stat to do here. Okay, we add to do and to do with stats. Okay, so in the to do we had the to do key refer to the to do key in refer to the, okay, to do here to do. Okay, we can use the, you can watch or read the store.js again. For example, when we import to use the vuex, we had for example is, okay, we this dot, okay, and store default we use, okay, this dot, and we add a store default to the vuex. Okay, and then we call the to do this. Okay, and to do this. Okay, to do this, and then we call via stats. Okay, for example, stat, and in the stat we had to do here. So we add to do. Okay. Right now we import the part. I go back. Okay, I go back to do. Okay, we did the same. Okay, and this is the same start and to do. Okay, right now the data so we add that to do. I add already. So I go back to normal code. Okay, and then right now we remove the to do here. Okay, this dot store dot to do. Okay, to do dot start dot to do. So I'm gonna prepare. Okay, right now the data the error. So the error code. So when we create it like this, cannot just. So view. Okay, I go to the mount. Okay, so we has the mount. Oh, we add the data. This to do dot start. Okay, to do dot we had a stat here, so I refresh. Okay, I am sorry everybody, I console again. Okay, error in mounted the property stat of undefined. Okay, I sorry, I console dot again. Okay, wire stats not to do before. We use the wire stat and then to do. Okay, so we add a stat dot to do. Okay, and this is to do refer to the to do here. Okay, to do here, and then we call the this to do's. Okay, to do dot to do. Okay, when I refresh again, and the data display from the to-do state management. Right now we push the data into the to-do here. So this dot push dot and to-do. Okay, so when I refresh, and data display here. Okay, right now how to use the state function. We can multi-way to use. Okay, and this way I want to show you with the so in the console we want to okay everyone, I to finish how to use state management. Okay, state management to share data to the all the component in our application. Okay, and this lesson I think you can know clearly how to use state management in the Vue.js. Okay, everyone, if you like my teaching, please comment, like, subscribe, and share to another friend to become our or to learn the Vue.js with the state management. Okay, I want to finish. Say goodbye, everyone. Good luck.